Despite Thabo Bester appointing a new lawyer, his prison escape case has been delayed as Kagisho Mururi, the lawyer for Bester's two co-accused, Senue Matshwara and Dio Makhotsa, withdrew from the case due to non-payment of legal fees. The two have opted to seek the services of legal aid. On the other hand, Bester, through his lawyer, reiterated his displeasure with the treatment at Kgosi Mampuru Correctional Center in Pretoria. He emphasized the need to have enough consultation hours and indicated the intention to apply for intervention from the court.
Because of the challenges that we've been having, each and every time we request a consultation, we are given a maximum of 2 hours, and in those 2 hours we must gather the information, write notes, and under difficult circumstances. So after having set up plethora of consultation, we finalized the application. Now, it would have been served by at least Monday under the circumstances. Because sometimes we were even told by the correctional service that they did us a huge favor by giving us 3 days, that's 6 hours.
The judge granted Moela permission to consult with Bester. He said the length of time would be discussed in chambers together with the prosecution. He also advised him to finalize his application and serve all interested parties.
Let me make the following suggestion, Mr. Moela. Don't you want to rather consult with your client fully today? Decide whether you're going to move your application and in what form you're going to move it. Either from the bar or whether you're going to proceed by way of notice of motion, because I hear you saying it's not a notice of motion. So do that. It seems to me at this stage that the matter is in any event not ripe for trial.
A legal analyst says it seems as if Bester wants to take the same legal route taken by Nandi Magudumana previously.
However, the legal representative mentioned that he wants to make an application, which is the notice of motion, which is going to be submitted, we don't know when, but however, under the prayers of jurisdiction, as well as the making a fair trial for Mr. Bester. And the details of the jurisdiction and the fair trial, it will be heard when the application is being moved by the advocate of Mr. Bester.
Another legal commentator states that Bester's previous statements that his co-accused know nothing about his escape could come back to haunt him.
One has to remember that any statements made in a preparatory examination is not evidence per se. It is, however, evidentiary material that the state can use during the trial. Should, for example, the accused deviate from the statements that he made during the preparatory examination, the state can use that to prove that that was a previous inconsistent statement, and that could ultimately have a bearing on his credibility.
Thabo Bester escaped from the Mangaung Correctional Center in May 2022 using the body of Katlego Bereng as a decoy. The escape plot was a staged self-incineration. It's believed that he was assisted by prison employees who are among the accused in the case. At the time of his escape, he was serving a sentence after being convicted in 2012 for the rape and murder of his model girlfriend. A year earlier, he was found guilty of raping and robbing 2 other women. Kamogelo Siekwi, SABC News, Bloemfontein.